Okay, good day to all science students. In this video, we are going to tackle the saturated, unsaturated, and supersaturated solutions. So before we proceed, identify if the given materials are homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. This is just a review of our previous lesson. Okay, what will be the answer for orange juice? Okay, homogeneous mixture. What about halo-halo? Heterogeneous. Milk, homogeneous. Sand mixed with water, heterogeneous. And milk and oat. Okay, what is solubility? Solubility is the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in a given amount of solvent at a specific temperature. Thus, solubility may be described as the saturation point of a solution at a given temperature. So, solutions can be described according to the 3 degrees of saturation. We have saturated and unsaturated and the supersaturated. Okay, a saturated solution is a solution that contains the maximum amount of solute that is capable of dissolving. An unsaturated solution is a solution that contains less than the maximum amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved. And supersaturated, when a solution contains more dissolved solute than the saturated solution. So ano ba yung pagkakaiba nun? Linawin nga natin. So kung titignan mo dito sa illustration, ito po, unsaturated. So kunti lang yung ginilagay na solute, meaning hindi pa naaabot yung maximum amount na pwede niyang ma-dissolve or matunaw. Yun yung unsaturated, meaning marami pang pwede siyang tunawin. Pag sinabi namang saturated po, naabot niya na yung pinaka-maximum or yung sagad na kaya niyang itunawin. For example, 1 glass of water, ang kaya niyang tunawin na maximum ay 10 spoon of sugar. Pag umabot na siya sa 10, meaning saturated na, hanggang doon na lang. Kapag naman unsaturated, less than the maximum amount. So meaning kaunti pa kumpara doon sa maximum, doon sa saturated. Kapag unsaturated po, kunti pa lang yung nailagay natin na solute, meaning kaya pang magtunaw. Yung saturated naman, naabot niya na yung pinaka-limit niya or the maximum amount of solute na kaya niyang tunawin. Pag sinabi namang supersaturated, when a solution contains more dissolved solute than the saturated, kumbaga, sabi natin 10 yung saturated niya, yung maximum, nilagyan mo ng sobra pa, super saturated na po yun. Kumbaga, hindi niya na kayang tunawin yung excess doon sa saturation point niya, doon sa limit lang ng solubility na tinatawag. Okay, the additional solute will remain dissolved in the solution when the solution is allowed to cool slowly and undisturbed. However, a supersaturated solution is an unstable system. Disturbing it, such as stirring and shaking, will recrystallize the excess solute and return it to a saturated condition. Adding a small crystal of the solute called seed crystal can also recrystallize the excess solute from a supersaturated solution. So, when a large amount of solute is present in a given solution, the solution is said to be concentrated. Is a saturated solution always a concentrated solution? So, the answer is no. Because when it says saturated, it reached the maximum amount of soluble material in that liquid solution. Unlike the concentrated, pwede nating sabihin that is less than the saturated. So, unlocking content vocabulary, what will be the this number 1? Itong rumbled letter na to. Ano kaya ito? Tingnan natin. Ayan, saturated. Number 2, unsaturated. And number 3, supersaturated. Okay, analyze and explain the diagram that shows the differences between saturated and unsaturated solution. Sa taas, unsaturated, containing 100 ml of water and 30 gram of sodium chloride or asin. Ito nasa baba naman, saturated solution, kasi may hindi pa natutunaw dito. The additional 4 gram of sodium chloride remains undissolved. Yun, kapag hindi niya na kayang tunawin yung mga ilagay natin, meaning, umabot na siya sa saturation point. Hanggang doon lang yung limit na kaya niyang abutin na matunaw. Paano matatanggal yung mababawasan yung saturation point? So, ang isa po dyan, dagdagan ng tubig. Kagaya nung mamaya, papakita po natin yung simulation na ginawa ko dito. In which type of solution does salt completely dissolve? Okay, the answer is unsaturated. In which type of solution does salt did not dissolve completely? That is saturated. What is saturated solution and unsaturated solution? A saturated solution is a solution that contains the maximum amount of solute that is capable of dissolving. An unsaturated solution is a solution that contains less than the maximum amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved. So, saan mas mabilis matunaw? Siyempre, dun sa unsaturated. Ito, panoorin po natin itong simulation. Ayan, kung mapapansin ninyo, yan, ito yung dagdagan ng tubig sa taas. Yan, 1 liter. Ito naman yung babawasan natin. 1/2 liter. Yan, gawin lang nating, yan, sodium chloride or asin gawin nating in solid form. Sukatin natin yung concentration. Ayan, taktakan na natin yung solid form. Nakita nyo po yung concentration dito. Ayan. So, medyo marami ang tubig, 1/2 liter. Tingnan natin. Ayan, tumataas ang concentration. So meaning, hindi pa siya umaabot sa saturation point. Ito pa yung tinatawag na unsaturated. Bawasan natin ng tubig. Ayan. Ayan, umabot na sa saturation point kasi may buo na hindi natutunaw. Subukan natin yung ibang materials. Okay, for activity, what are the evidences that make a solution saturated and unsaturated? Describe the appearance of saturated and unsaturated solution. Ito yung mga materials. 2 teaspoon of sugar for solution A, 1 cup water for solution A, 1 teaspoon of sugar for solution B, 1 cup water for solution B. Beaker, measuring cup. The cup and amount of water must be the same for solution A and B. Tingnan natin dito. Ayan yung procedure. Ipakita na po natin dito sa actual. Sasagutan itong table na to mamaya after the experiment. Ayan, panoorin po natin ito. Ayan, yung beaker. This is beaker. Lagyan natin ng tig 40 ml. 40 ml of water. Ayan, dapat same ang kanilang amount of solvent. Yan, napasobra. Bawasan natin ang set A. Ayan. So, pares na silang 40 ml. And then, lagyan natin ito ng, yung isang puno lang po yan ng takip ng mineral water. Yan, yung setup B. Yung setup A, dadagdagan natin yan ng sugar hanggat kaya niya pang matunaw. Pero dito sa experiment, almost umabot siya ng 8. Ayan. 8 cup of bottled water. Ayan, dinagdagan na natin. Kaya pang tumunaw yung 3 cup. Ayan, yan. Dagdagan pa natin. Ay, nakakita ninyo, may ano na siya, may crystal form na hindi na natutunaw. Yan, ginawa nating 8. Ayan. Yan yung tinatawag na seed crystal, yung mga namumuo na hindi na kayang tunawin. Meaning, umabot na siya sa saturation point. Ayan, meaning saturated na po siya. Yung set A. Yung set B, yun yung unsaturated kasi isang cup lang ng salt. Ayan, pansin niyo kahit anong halo na niyan, hindi na yun matutunaw. Kasi umabot na siya sa saturation point. Para mas malinaw po sa atin ang saturation point, parang yung seating capacity ng isang sasakyan. Pag ang seating capacity niya ay 30 at napunuan na yon, that is the saturation point. Kapag sumobra na doon, super saturated na yon.